Which is India's largest mineral oil field? Answer D. Mumbai offshore area. What is the committee related to public distribution system? Answer C. Venugopal Committee. In which 5-year plan the minimum needs program was started? Answer D. Fifth. The period of the 8 5-year plan was? Answer D. 1992 to 1997. Where was centralized planning first adopted for the development of the economy? Answer A. Former Soviet Union. India is a major import of? Answer C. Both of these. Which fruit has the largest area under cultivation in India? Answer D. Mango. When was the Agriculture Cost and Commission established? Answer B. 1965. Who among the following was called the father of political discontent in India? Answer B. Sardar Bhagat Singh. Which sector has the least contribution to the national income of India? Answer B. Secondary sector. Who of the following is not included in the national income? Answer A. Winning the lottery. Prepared the first estimate of national income for the country? Answer D. Dadabhai Naoroji. Where is the commercial magazine Commerce published? Answer D. Mumbai. In which year the Foreign Exchange Management Act (FEMA) came into force? Answer D. 2003. Abid Hussain Committee was constituted by which ministry? Answer B. Ministry of Industry. L of which tax was suggested by the Jha Committee? Answer D. MANVAT. What is the committee related to industrial sickness? Answer C. Both of the above. The period of the 7 5-year plan was? Answer C. 1985 to 1990. In which of the following 5-year plans did the rate of economic growth exceed its target? Answer D. 8th. The apex body to approve the 5-year plan is? Answer C. National Development Council. Which undercrop is the maximum agriculture land in India? Answer A. Rice. The largest producer of coarse cereal in the world in the country? Answer A. India. The government agency responsible for estimating the national income in India is? Answer B. Central Statistical Organization. Who is the largest contributor to the national income of India? Answer C. Tertiary sector. Single citizenship included in the Indian Constitution is inspired by the constitution of which country? Answer A. Britain. Out of the gross area of crops in India, the area of food grain is? Answer B. More than 70%. Who among the following is India's largest employer? Answer C. Indian Railways. Deputy Chairman of the first Planning Commission? Answer B. Gulzari Lal Nanda. Expand the abbreviation of SEZ. Answer B. Special Economic Zone. Which of the following will lead to a fall in property prices? Answer D. Low liquidity in the economy. Does the poor save more than the rich? Answer C. A relatively small part of his income. Which one of the following industries employs maximum labor force in India? Answer B. Textile industry. Which of the following crops is grown in India more than all the countries of the world? Answer C. Sugar cane. India is largest exporter of. Answer B. Textile. The major route of export and imports is. Answer D. Ports. The head of the Reserve Bank of India is called. Answer C. Governor. The person responsible for milk revolution in India is. Answer A. Dr. Kurian. India's place in the field of milk production in the world. Answer A. First. Rainbow revolution is related to. Answer D. All of these. The state is the largest producer of tobacco in India. Answer A. Andhra Pradesh.